Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok shop account, and keep watching this video because each and every step is very important before deleting your TikTok account. Okay, so let's get started.
If you still wish to proceed, go to My Account, Account Settings, Close Shop Account and follow the outlined steps. Step 1. Verify identity. Please confirm that the basic shop information on the page is correct. This includes business type, shop name, shop region, company name and phone number email. Add your reasons for closing the shop and select whether you want to participate in interviews or surveys to express your suggestions and opinions. Then, click Next. Step 2. Check criteria. To close your TikTok shop seller account, the following criteria must be met. Announce your shop closure to the public. After turning the announcement on, your shop page will show the public the duration of the 30-day period remaining. All shop products will be deactivated. All orders have been processed or closed, and no orders have been placed in the past 90 days. All payments have been settled. All commission fees have been paid. There are no current violation tickets involving frozen payments. You do not have more violations points than our violation point threshold. Once all these fields are marked finished, you can click Next and proceed to the following step. Step 3. Review policy and confirm. Review and policy carefully. After clicking Next, you must confirm again in the pop-up window. After confirming, the shop closure application cannot be cancelled or undone. Account closure is now completed. You no longer have access to the products and services associated with your closed account. The official marketing account will unbind automatically. This also affects related affiliates and ad services linked to your account. If you want to restart selling on TikTok Shop, create a new account.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily delete your TikTok account. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.